Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. An Abi Huraira radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu qala ya rajulan ila Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam faqala ya Rasulullah man ahaqqun nasu bi husni sahabiyati qala ummuka qala summa man qala ummuk qala summa man qala summa ummuk Kala summa man kala summa abuka. Narrated Abu Huraira radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. A man came to Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Allah's apostle, who is more entitled to be treated with the best companionship by me? The Prophet said, Your mother. The man said, Who is next? The Prophet said, Your mother. The man further said, Who is next? The Prophet ﷺ said, Your mother. The man asked for the fourth time, Who is next? The Prophet ﷺ said, Your father. An Abdullah bin Umar Kala Rajulan lin Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam Wajahidu Kala Yakabuna Kala Nama Kala Fafihima Fajahid. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr. A man said to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Shall I participate in jihad? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Are your parents living? The man said, Yes. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Do jihad for their benefit. An Jubair bin Mut'im radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu akhbarahu sami'a Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam yaqulu la yadkhul jannah qatil. Narrated Jubair bin Mut'im that he heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, the person who severs the bond of kinship will not enter paradise. Stay blessed. Will be met in my next